Welcome, y'all. Today I'm throwing football. Ow! Ready? Hey! Hi! What was that? Ready? Hi! No more. That's good though. I have to go into the dark and fish. Hey, hike! That was perfect! Hello. That was softer! Turn on. That was perfect. Here, throw it to me. Go on, Chase. Nice catch here. I'm in the input of Oh, that was perfect. Hey, Chase, go on. Nice catch here. Not my name, quarterback. Let me kick the ball. So, 2. And let me kick the ball. Let me kick it. That's pretty. Throw it in. Hold on. Ah! New player or what? His name is Woden. Jackson, can you please take the phone?
Jackson.
Don't press the big red button. If you do, you'll never be on my channel again. If you press it.
Okay. You have my word.
Did you like my kick? Thank you. Can I give you that? Don't you dare hit me with the football.
That was nice and nice.
Yeah, I know.
That was really nice.
Me.
Activated. Catch it, boy.
Oh no!
Come on. Come on. Say, go.
Ow! Hey, we can talk about this.
I didn't want the wrong.
I totally didn't just accidentally trip on the ball. Oh, shit. Let me go into soccer mode.
Make sure to film this, guys.
I'm a professional. I'm a professional.
I missed that.
What do you want? Solly, it's your turn. Time for you to hold the camera. Logie the monkey. You hold the camera. You hold camera. You have to hold camera.
No.
Yes.
No.
All right, fine. Then I'll set it up. Set you up real quick. Hey. Kicking time. It's kick time.
Get the ball. Run, Jackson. Oh. Go right here. Right there. Why? Alright, Dad, go Bella. Go
I'm the alpha monkey. Where did they just go? Take them on. Sword break. Bye, y'all.